pollo arrosto al melograno. Everybody loves a roasted chicken, and this is a new twist. A roasted chicken with some pomegranate sauce. It's simple, delicious, and it really looks beautiful. So I like to do half a chicken, you know, butterfly chicken, as we say. Let's season that with salt, both sides. And first, I'll brown it in the pan, and then with the same pan, go right in the oven. So let's put a little bit of oil. Nice hot pan, and skin down first. While we wait for that to caramelize, here I have a great question. Andrea Bogus from West Virginia wants to know, what are some ideas to get kindergartners interested in cooking? I guess you're a teacher, and that's wonderful. Get some herbs, some rosemary, some basil, some sage, and have each child rub it in his hands and then smell. And then you talk about that herb. Is it rosemary? What is it used? They'll remember when they'll encounter it in food or when it's cooking in their kitchen. So, Andrea, keep on teaching those children and keep on building their flavor memories. Let me check on the chicken. So we certainly got a nice caramelization here. You put it in a 425-degree hot oven for about 20, 30 minutes, and then we'll make the sauce to go with it. My life and my life as a professional chef was surely shaped by my experiences from childhood on. And I can recall vividly, every time I get behind a stove, those flavors. The flavors of being in direct connection with the earth, with the products. We knew, my grandmother, my grandfather knew when it was time to harvest something. And in cooking, I tried to capture those flavors that I remember and bring them ever present right in that pan. It is the memories of those flavors and elements that really took me where I am. So now let's make the sauce for the chicken. The Grand Marnier, the brandy, pomegranate juice, the stock. And this is all mixed. Let's put it all around the chicken, just like that. Some rosemary sprigs and some butter just to reduce the sauce as well. It will kind of pull together all of the sauce. Like this. Let me just give it a little bit of brushing like that. Okay, this looks good. We'll put it back in the hot oven. I would say another 20 minutes to half an hour. It should be ready. The sauce should be really reduced. We'll glaze it once or twice in between, and it will be beautiful. Food is complex, one might say, but it really is about simplicity and the good products. And I think communicating with my grandchildren was always about the product, the simplicity of it, and to get to understand the product, to feel, to taste, and then know how to use it. Conosco I miei polli. That's an old proverb Italian, meaning conosco I miei polli. I know my chickens, I know who they are. But do I know my chicken? Look at this. This is delicious. Remember, whenever you have something out of the oven, it has a handle, and you're bringing it out of the oven, and it's hot, always leave a towel on it so somebody doesn't just grab it. And the chickens are done. Let's get it out. Okay. And that's two. They look good and delicious and juicy. I'm looking at the sauce here. So maybe I'll just put a little bit of heat here and reduce that while carving this chicken. I think I'm just gonna do it in quarters. The easiest is you just kind of cut right where the leg is. You know what? I see a nice piece right here. This is gonna be my tasting piece right here. All right. So let me just put it on. Let me put next to it, just like that. Let's another little piece for Lydia. All right. And voila. No specific formation, just to make it look beautiful. And you take a little bit of the sauce. And you just kind of sauce it up a little bit, but the extra sauce, you put it in a saucier, and you can put it on the table and let everybody help themselves to additional sauce if they like. Okay, that looks really good. And, you know, I always tell you, you kind of finish it off with the same herbs that you used in cooking it. Just let those herbs be fresh, because now with the heat of the chicken, the aroma comes out. Let me just... It is delicioso. It is sweet, savory, a little bit acidic, perfetto. You know, I love chicken. I love roasted chicken. The simpler it is, the better it is. Here you have a little extension with the aromatic elements, pomegranate sauce, the orange in from the Grand Marnier. Delicious.